He's been snoring for hours and I can't fucking sleep. What I'm going to do is, I'll let him with his pillow. Fuck! Jacob, get fucking down! I'm getting fucking shot! What the fuck? Jacob!